Hello, I am Dr. Samana Nadig, a homeopathic physician practicing at Raghav's Homeopathic Clinic, HSR Layout, Sector 2, Bangalore. Today let's understand what is menopause, what effect it has on our mind and body, and how to deal with it naturally and through medicines. So, menopause is a natural or biological process where a woman enters the end of her reproductive phase. So, when there is end of reproductive phase, there is cessation of menstrual cycle, and this happens because there is drop in the female hormones, that is estrogen and progesterone. So, estrogen and progesterone being the main hormones which maintains the periods, when there is fall in these hormones, there is cessation which leads to end of the menstrual cycle. So, let's understand how this has effect on our body and on mind. So, when we see the effects on our body, there is hot flushes and sweating that happens. There is sudden feeling of sweating, there is sudden feeling of heat in the body. So, this is because of decline in the hormones. And also one experience irregularities in their periods. There is slow cessation of periods, there is scanty periods, or periods can happen once in 2 months, 3 months, and it ends completely. So along with this, there is also skin and hair changes. The hair becomes thin, the skin might become dry, there might be pigmentation because of decrease in hormones, and there are also issues like bone density coming low. One can experience bony pains, stiffness, and when the bone density comes low, there is chances of women having osteoporosis, wherein the calcium levels of the bones get decreased. So these are related to body. Now let's understand what happens in our mind. So when there is decrease in the hormone levels, we see women having mood swings. So they might feel irritability, anger, anxiety, they feel like crying without any reason. So these are the mood swing changes that happens because of decrease in the hormone levels. Along with this, there is a feeling of depression, loneliness, anxiety which continues. With this, there is cognitive things or cognitive changes that happens, like there is difficulty in concentration, or there can also be forgetfulness. They keep things here and there and forget where they have placed. So these kind of changes is also seen. Along with this, there is weakness and very low interest in doing day-to-day chores or any activities. So coming to how to deal with this. So these symptoms may vary from people to people. Some may experience in very low levels which need not need medicines, that can be naturally corrected. So steps like doing meditation or yoga, so these kind of techniques help in calming your mind and thus makes you feel better. So along with the daily activities, increasing your exercise duration or taking a 10 minutes out of your day and meditating helps in overcoming these symptoms. Along with that, your diet also becomes important. Eating a balanced diet including more of fruits, vegetables, which can combat the variations that is happening, helps in overcoming these symptoms. So when there is high symptoms or people experience severe symptoms where they cannot manage by themselves, they need some medicines to get over this complaints. So in homeopathy, we have medicines which act both on mind and body. So while considering all the symptoms that is being suffered by the patient, we make a record of it, we understand the totality and prescribe the right remedy which can help in reducing or easing the suffering of a patient.